It's that time of the year again. What's up guys? It's Guppy Vlogs, and I'm in the same room where I made this 1 year ago snowstorm experience. This will be my second remastered video, as if Cornell was the first remastered video that I ever made. Now, actually, no time to waste, let's go. Instead of actually using my iPad or my phone, I'm using GoPro because I don't want anything to die. But instead of using committing suicide like in the other video, I'll prefer to say hypothermia, because that's possibly how you die in any cold weather. Hypothermia. So, let's go. Time to recreate this hypothermia video. Okay. Damn. Good old memories. Ooh. I'm gonna be falling a lot, and there's gonna be some dramatic things, but yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna be horrible. I'll try, let's leave it here. Oh my god. Yo, what the hell? Yo, how much snow was there? Jesus. That's not okay. Whoa. Let's try going somewhere. Of course, everything migrated, so I'm perfectly fine. Maybe. It's probably not the perfect shoe. Everything's so steep. Whoa, my. Oh my god. Oh. Stupid ball. Okay. Oh, damn. I made a heavy fall. Dang. That's one of a heavy fall. Just wipe out some stuff. Damn, that's such a steep fall. Oh my god. I would risk everything to lose my hand, even this video. Oh my. I'm about to be clean. What the fuck being? What the hell being in my territory? What the hell? Going. Snow is more safer than slipping in actual, whatever. I can't go here. I could, but yeah, I slipped way too many times. I slip on the rock, I'll probably die. Oh, found a branch. Oh my god! At that time, I just need to go to an insomnium because that snow was making me crazy. Oh my damn god. Shit, I'm trying to, okay. I controlled it, I got it. I'm going to go with, to place it. Probably where I'm gonna slip more. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm just gonna start to fall. Okay. Wait. Okay. Spot, this is way too deep. This is way too deep. Okay. Oh shit, this is hard to carry. Okay, let's go. Oh, my god, this is so steep. Yeah, if I fall, oh, definitely not go there. That place probably is the most riskiest of all. Actually, what's in there? I'm probably about to die, but I got a stick, so good thing that prevents me from dying. Ooh. What is there? Oh shit, a branch fell off. Yo, I just heard something. It's a little gay. Is that a rabbit hole? Oh shit, this is an abandoned rabbit hole. Damn. I'm not checking that out. No matter what. I see another one there. Yeah, this is. Ooh. Oh shit. I want to claim this place. Oh damn it. Oh my god. Oh. Oh damn well I'm not doing that. Oh. I did it. I claimed this place. This little island. I claim this place. I claim this land. but I think I know where I have to go. We're gonna explore the whole house in the snowstorm. Well, not actual snowstorm, but really just more snow. And now, number 1 check complete. Shoot. Number 1. Okay. Number 1 complete. Now for the number 2. Okay. Oh my god, the step. Wait, the step is kind of deep. So if I ever... Just checking. Okay. Or just, yeah. This is not a place to step in. Bismillah. Bismillah. Wait. Actually, got another plan. Hold this. This one's more still. Oh, damn, I did it. Okay, 71% on my damn battery. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god. Dude, this stick is so worthy. I will never fall with this stick. Oh, I made it to this place. We gotta go through all of that. That's sad. Oh, shoot. Chuckles and ladders. Oh, this is steep. This is steep. Oh shit, this is connected to the wires. Oh yeah, this is my connection wire. Ooh, y'all. Shoot. Got it. That's gonna be hard. Oh my god, this is so painful. Okay, wait, I think I do need this back, because now I'm actually getting hypothermia. Okay, this thing's at 50%, so really enough, fuck. I did not even finish my sentence. Putting my bare hand on snow just hurts. Oh, what the hell? That's devastating. This is not. The bigger it is, the worse it kind of is. Laden. We still did not make it through a lot. We got that part to go, and that's probably gonna be devastating. Oh, it's a rock. It's cool. Oh my god. Like, if I fall right now, this would not be a good place to fall. Do not do this at home, actually. Whatever I'm doing, definitely not try this at home. Do not just go to your mom and say, look mom, can I do this? Guppy Cell Vlogs did this. And then, that's called a bad influencer. Like that. That's a bad influencer. Oh, that's a bad influencer. That's a very bad influencer. Oh, oh. Oh, owie, I fell. I fell. No, I can't. Oh my god. I'm gonna rest here for a little bit. And I'll post stuff. Okay. Now I don't need to make another circle. Because I'm actually gonna use the road I went. And get out. And make myself... That's good enough. Oh my, okay, yep, and I'm doomed. I just did something horrible. I accidentally crossed out one of my footsteps, and now it's just not complicated. This will make just a mark here. That's where I went for another time. And 2 is officially done, I think. Yeah, I basically went the whole house. Yep. And now I'm about to make myself coffee. Because I am sicko. Just need to go there. I'll have to make my damn thumbnail shot. Is my number 2. 1 and 2. I did it. Just do it here. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ow! Damn. Nah, let's keep it here. I don't know. It's better. And to let the new me and the old me let us do the outro. So, thank you guys for watching.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace. Bye.